Hey there. So you are somebody who's a CRM manager. You're working inside HubSpot, you're putting in the time and effort, putting in all of the contact records, everything else. But now you are at that point wherein you need your data to be pristinely organized in order to proceed any further. Enter property groups. And today we are going to tell you how you can use them to your advantage inside HubSpot. So guys, in order to organize, delete and export properties inside HubSpot, one of the first things that you would need is property groups. But in order to access it, firstly, what you need to do is log into your HubSpot dashboard. Yes, it's that easy. Put in your email address, put in your password, click on login. Once you do this, you would be greeted by different accounts. Choose the specific account where you want to do all of this. And once you are inside, now you'll be greeted by different options. For example, I want to edit the properties, so I would go to CRM, then I would go to contacts. Here I'll be shown my different contacts, and here I can click on actions and click on edit properties. Once I do that, now I'll be greeted by all of the properties that I have. Now that was one method in order to access properties inside HubSpot. There's another method. You can click on the settings icon on the top, and here on the left side you can see that under data management you have the option called as properties. If you click on that, you would be shown all of the properties that you have inside your CRM. Now normally what happens is we can edit all of these properties one by one, and that's a long process, and a lot of these properties can be edited. If it's a default HubSpot property, you can't edit it. But then if you go further, there comes something called as property groups. And that is what helps you in order to properly manage properties inside HubSpot. Property groups can help you identify related properties within an object. Now, as you can see on the screen, there are a lot of default property groups, but you can create property groups of your own. If you click on create group, my awesome group, and then click on save. Now you have a new property group, and here you can see that a lot of properties are not present because we have not edited anything over here. So let's click on the view properties, and you can see that no properties are inside the my awesome group. So what we can do is we can create a property inside my awesome group. So I select the group my awesome group, I create a label. This person does not pick up my call. That's a nice property to have. And then we click on next and field type. So if somebody does not pick up your call, what would you call them? That is something which I think can be described in a single line. And let's go to next. Showing forms, pop-ups and bots, showing search results. Yes, require unique values for this property. So no, we don't require unique values for this property. And set minimum character limit. So at least you need to have at least 3 to 4 characters, maybe yes or no or something like that. So set maximum character limit, maybe something like 20. We don't want people abusing others in here. And restrict to numeric values, no, don't allow special characters, yes, that's something good. And then we click on create. Now we have a new property in here inside this group, which is the my awesome group. So this person does not pick up my call. Similarly, I can add more people who are ignoring me in real life or something like that in order to have an awesome property group inside HubSpot. Now if you want to add properties to this group, the properties which already exist, I can click on all groups, and maybe I want to add something awesome, something create date. Maybe I want to add the create date to my awesome group. So I then click on more, then click on move to group, and then I select my awesome group from here, and then finally click on save. And now this property was moved to my awesome group. It was present in all groups, but now it's in my awesome group. Similarly, you can add more properties to the group that you create inside HubSpot. You can also do this for more than one property at once. So for example, I want to add maybe these 3 or 4 properties to my awesome group. Then I click on add to group after selecting them, and then I can click on the my awesome group and then click on save, and these would be moved to my awesome group. And this is how this works. Let's proceed further. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear and you know now how to manage, edit and play around with property groups inside HubSpot. In case you need our help in order to do something awesome of your own, you are building some awesome project of your own, then feel free to reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next awesome video.